Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve class 8th Maths Chapter 2 Parallel Lines and Transversal SSC Board. Point remembers. Number 1. Parallel lines. Lines in the same plane which do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. This figure, line M and line N are parallel lines, written as line M parallel line N. This one. Number 2. Transversal. In a line intersect two lines in two distinct points, here two lines, then that line is called a transversal of those two lines. This transfer line L. In the figure, line L intersect line M and line N at point P and Q respectively. Line L is a transversal of line M and line N. Point 3. Corresponding angles. If the arms on the transversal of a pair of angles are in the same direction and the other arms are on the same side of the transversal, then it is called pair of corresponding angles. In the figure, shapes stand for corresponding angles. This shape, this line parallel and transversal, this angle, corresponding angles. Here parallel, transversal, and this angles, corresponding angles. Again, parallel these lines, transversal, and this angle, corresponding angles. Then this line parallel and this line is transversal, so this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. Then interior angles. A pair of angles which are on the same side of the transversal and lie between the two given lines is called a pair of interior angles. In the figure, shapes stand for interangles. This line and this line parallel and this transversal and this interior angle, both to interangle. Then again next, this line and this line parallel and this line is transversal and these angles are interior angles. Number 5th, alternate angle. A pair of angles which are on the opposite sides of the transversal such that their arms on the transversal are in opposite direction is called a pair of alternate angles. Here, this alternate angle, this transversal, parallel lines, transversal, this opposite side. Again, opposite sides, these angles are alternate angle. Then exterior alternate angle. This parallel two lines, transversal, this angle and this angle, exterior alternate angle. This parallel lines, this transversal, and this angle are exterior alternate angle. Practice set 2.1. In the given figure, each angle is shown by a letter. Fill in the boxes with the help of the figure. These two lines transversal. Corresponding angles. Angle P, angle W. Angle P corresponding angle W. Here angle W. Then angle Q corresponding X. Then R, here Y. R angle Y. Then angle S, this Z, angle Z, corresponding angles. Then interior alternate angle, S, here S alternate X, S opposite X, here angle X. Then W opposite here R, angle R. Angle S opposite X, angle W opposite R. Alternate angles and these corresponding angles. 2. Observe the angle shown in the figure and write the following pairs of angles. This diagram, angle A, B, C, D, here E, F, G, H, this one. First here, correspond here interior alternate angle. Interior alternate angle means here C, E, B, H. Angle C and angle E, angle B and angle H, this interior alternate angle opposite. Here angle C and angle E, angle B and angle H. Then corresponding angles here angle A E, angle B, angle F, angle C, angle G, angle D, angle H, 4 pairs. Here angle A and angle E, angle B and angle F, angle C and angle G, angle D and angle H, 4 pairs. Interangles, angle B, angle E, angle C and angle H. Here angle B and angles E, angle C and angle H, interangles. Here triangle, corresponding angles and interangles. Remember point, when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the angles formed in each pair of number 1 corresponding angles are congruent, number 2 alternate angles are congruent, and number 3 interior angles are supplementary. These points are very important. When two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the angles formed each pair of corresponding angles are congruent, alternate angles are congruent, and interior angles are supplementary. Practice set 2.2. Choose the correct alternative. Number 1. In the given figure, if line M, parallel line N and line P is a transversal, then find X. A 135 degree, B 90 degree, C 45 degree and D 40 degree. Your diagram. This 3X line M, parallel line N and P is a transversal. So 3X plus X equal to 180 interior angle. So here 3X plus X equal to 180. Interangles are supplementary. So 180. 4X equal to 180. So X equal to 180 upon 4. So X equal to 4, 4, 16 and 4, 5, 20. X equal to 45. So answer C, 45 degree. Then number 2. In the given figure, if line A, parallel line B and line L is a transversal, then find X. Here A 90 degree, B 60 degree, C 45 degree and D 30 degree. Here A parallel line B and L transversal. So here angle 4X, this one here 4X, this angle V, suppose let V alternate angle. So here 4X equal to V. Alternate angle are congruent. So 4X equal to V. So V equal to 4X. This V is equal to 4X. So V plus 2X equal to 180 linear angles in linear angles. So here 4X plus 2X equal to 180. Reason angles in linear pair. So 2 plus 4 plus 2, 6X equal to 180. So X equal to 180 upon 6. So X equal to 30 degree. So D, answer D, angle D, D equal to 30 degree. This is the answer. Then find X equal to 30 degree. In the given figure, line P, parallel line Q, line T and line S are transversal. Find measure of angle X and angle Y using the measures of angles given in the figure. Here 40 Z X, here Y 70. First, line P parallel line Q and T is a transversal. So Z equal to 40 corresponding angles. So here line P parallel line Q and T transversal. So Z equal to 40 degree. Angle Z equal to 40 degree. Reason corresponding angles. Then here angle Z plus angle X equal to 180 because angle in a linear pair. Angle Z plus angle X equal to 180 degree reason angles in a linear pairs. Z40 plus angle x equal to 180. So angle x equal to 180 minus 40 this. So angle x equal to 140 degree. Consider the angle W as shown in the figure. So angle W plus 70 equal to 180. Reason angles in a linear pair. Angle W plus 70 equal to 180. Reason angles in a linear pair. So angle W equal to 180 minus 70. So angle W equal to 110 degree. Here angle W 110 we find. Then line P parallel Q and S the transversal. Line P parallel Q and S transversal. So angle Y equal to angle W, altered angle. This one. And line P parallel Q and S the transversal. So Y equal to angle W, altered angle. Angle Y equal to angle W, reason altered angle. W 110. So angle Y equal to 110 degree. So therefore angle X equal to 140 degree and angle Y equal to 110 degree. This is the answer. X value 140 and Y value 110. Number 3. In the given figure, line P parallel Q, line L parallel M. Find measures of angle A, angle B, angle C. Using the measures of given angles, justify your answer. This line L parallel M, P and Q are transversal. So here first line P parallel Q and L is a transversal. Line P parallel Q and L is a transversal. So angle A plus angle AT equal to 180 because interior angle. Supplementary, both angles are supplementary. So here angle A plus AT equal to 180. So measure angle C equal to 180 minus this 80. So measure angle measure angle A, this one A equal to 180 minus 80, 100 degree. A first value, measure angle A 100. Then line L parallel M and P is the transversal, this one. So here angle C equal to angle 80 external triangle. Here angle C equal, measure angle C equal to 80 degree, reason external angle. Number 2. Then angle line P parallel Q, line P parallel Q and M is a transversal. Line P parallel Q and M is transversal. Angle C equal to angle B, corresponding angles congruent. So here line P parallel Q and line M is transversal. So measure angle C equal to measure angle B, reason corresponding angles. Angle C here 80 from 1 equal to measure angle B from this 1. So here angle A 100, angle B 80 and angle C 80 degree. This is the answer. Again angle A 100 degree, angle B 80 degree and angle C 80 degree. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.